Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to celebrate the famous holy festival Mahashivratri that is very famous in Hindus, and it is not only famous in India but also all over the world. And we all people celebrate this festival with a great enthusiasm. And what is the relevance of this festival is that today on this day the Shiva and Parvati got married got got in a relation on this day. So the relevance of this day is very high up यानी बहुत ज़्यादा यानी the relevance यानी this day marks the birth marks the marriage anniversary of Lord Shiva and Mata Parvati, and we celebrate this day with a great enthusiasm. From the morning, a very large crowd of worshippers we can see at the temples, mostly the temples of India as well as the world. And today I also prayed Lord Shiva for the bright future of India as well as the world. And recently our country came out from the vicious circle of corona. Now it is in the circle of corona, but I think it is going to out from this circle, and very soon our country will win the fight against corona, the very severe disease. And it हिला के रख दिया यानी it shattered the whole world, shattered the whole world, all our economy, all our employment, all the things, totally devastated all the things. This corona, people suffered a lot, mostly the poor people of our country as well as the world, but also the rich also. And it affects the every sex it affected the every section of society. And how people suffered, how people got from this situation is very amazing. I appreciate all those people who did a very good job in this corona period. They helped all the people very lot. So thank you, students. No, thank you, students. I just want to talk about something. So thanks a lot.